Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It is Friday, February 20th, 2026. Hope you're doing well. Wow, what a fantastic week, folks, right? We had a great time this week in the WealthCharts live training room. Today, things kind of worked out the way we thought it would. So here's the 9:30 start. This is the NQ, and I've got it on the 5-minute chart, okay? And again, what I mentioned was here was the gap fill here. Let me change that a little bit easier to see right here. And then the point of control at the time was right there as well. So, I said, we'll probably get a bounce, just based on statistics of where we were at, being here at the VAL at the time, and with the magnet, I call it the magnet, being up here. Okay. So sure enough, the markets reacted at the open and went higher. And then, so basically once we got above the gap, right, we were looking for longs, and I wait the first 10 minutes. So after 9:40, we were good to go here for some of these long side trades. And what I look to do, folks, is, it's educate you in the WealthCharts live training room, right, using the Heikin-Ashi techniques. And I was focused this morning on shorter term times, right, like scalping almost type. Sometimes I'll do it on a 5-minute, sometimes on a 1 minute, sometimes a 10-second. So today we were on the shorter times. And so, right here at 10, we started getting, again, the formation to the upside, which was my bias. We took a really nice trade here, and then we took another really nice trade here. So we had two nice trades just, to end the week, have a great weekend ahead of us. I've also requested a couple payouts from Apex to look forward to seeing, seeing that hopefully hit the account here soon. But if you want to learn more on, again, what I've been doing, how I've been using Heikin-Ashi, again, just a phenomenal opportunity here. We had a TRP cross. Again, just identical type trades, one after another there. Was fantastic. Anyway, go ahead and go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes. Tomorrow, folks, at 10 o'clock Eastern, I'm going to hold one more session here and go over my advanced Heikin-Ashi system. So becomeabettertrader.com/yes. Come see me 10 o'clock Eastern. You won't want to miss out. Remember, as a reminder, I've had over 100K in payouts just in Apex alone. I want to show you, again, exactly how I'm doing this, and I hope to see you there. So have a great rest of your Friday, folks, and hope to see you Saturday morning. Take care.